Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving through Ocho Rios in St. Anne, Jamaica, and we're going to take a look at the number one plaza in Ocho Rios, which is the Eight Rivers Plaza. It's a fairly new plaza, been open a couple of years, but it follows the formula to be a successful plaza, so we're going to take a look at it and take a quick tour. Now this part of Ocho Rios is at the town center, so you're going to see a lot of activity. Now Ocho Rios is the most popular town in St. Anne, and St. Anne is the largest parish in Jamaica. And Ocho Rios is definitely the most popular. It's known all over the world because of tourism. On the left is the bus park. But Ocho Rios is not the capital of Jamaica, and quite a few people think Ocho Rios is the capital, but the capital is actually St. Anne's Bay. And that's because when these towns were being formed, it was hundreds of years ago, and the port cities were the capital because the ports were very important to the towns or the parishes. So the port cities, or the towns that had the ports, I should say, were made the capitals. Even to this day in Jamaica, most of the capitals of the parishes are on the coast. Only probably one or two parishes don't have for instance, Mandeville doesn't have a port, and Maypen doesn't have a port, but almost all the other town parishes are port towns. Alright, so this is the Ocho Rios bypass we're on now, and on the left is the Eight Rivers Town Center, and this is the number one plaza in Ocho Rios. Now this plaza isn't really where you're going to find a lot of tourists. It's where you're going to find, okay, let's go through the formula. To be successful, you need a large supermarket, you're going to need food stores, and you're going to need the plaza to be built in a populated area. So Ocho Rios is the most popular town in St. Anne, and it has the Progressive Food supermarket, which is a very large supermarket. It's part of the Progressive family of supermarkets. They actually have the largest chain of supermarkets in Jamaica. They operate this brand, Progressive Foods, and also Shoppers Fair. And now there is also a pharmacy in here, Fontana Pharmacy, but that's not really part of the formula, that's just a bonus. There is also a bank here, which is just a bonus. Now, to have a successful plaza, you need food places. And in Jamaica, it doesn't get any bigger than KFC. So straight ahead, you have Pizza Hut, Tutti Frutti, KFC, Sakura Express, and Juicy Patties. Now, you don't get, those are the top brands. Every one of them is a very popular restaurant in Jamaica, but you don't get any more popular than KFC. So this is a very popular plaza, and there are actually times when the line for this KFC goes all the way back out to the road. I see where they're trying to put in some traffic changes. I guess it's to accommodate it, but on the weekend, very busy plaza. Alright, so let's just take a quick tour again through, and then we head out. This is the security guard saying this is a one-way. Alright, no problem. We turn around. Okay, they have some very weird traffic rules in this plaza. Security was trying to stop us, but there is no sign that says one way or anything. Okay, I guess he's pointing, but he's pointing to the exit. There is no sign that says one way. So basically we'd have to go all the way back around again to go through the plaza, but very weird traffic rules. Okay, so we're driving out of the plaza now, back onto the main road. Okay, straight across the road is the Champion Plaza, and they have a supermarket. Very popular plaza, but they don't really have a lot of food stores. So this plaza definitely does a lot better than that one. Now, Ocho Rios has a lot of plazas, but most of them cater to tourists. So you'll find that they sell like jewelry, and they don't have this formula of the supermarket, the food restaurants, and not built in. But I guess anywhere in Ocho Rios would be popular, but they're built closer to like the cruise ship pier or where the tourists would walk. But they definitely don't have the supermarket and the restaurants. So this one is the number one plaza. Alright, so at this stoplight, if we turn left, we go into the Eight Rivers Town Center. If we turn right, that would take us back to Main Street, into the town itself. But we're going to go straight and continue on the bypass and head out of Ocho Rios. Now at this stop on the left is the Rubis gas station. If we turn left here, this will take us back towards Fern Gully, and that's the main road back to Kingston if we're not using the highway. If we turn right, we head down to Main Street. That takes us back into the town center. And if we go straight, we continue on the Northern Coastal Highway, and that will take us all the way to Falmouth or Montego Bay and eventually Negril. Also, if you want to get on the highway, you go straight and you will come up to the entrance in Miami Bay to the North-South Highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.